TNA Carbon Monoxide Alarm. (360° precise air detection. Real-time LCD concentration display. High-quality chip for accuracy. Safety alerts. 85 dB ultra-loud alarm siren. Green light, normal operation. Red light, CO concentration alarm. Yellow light, fault detected. Critical protection. Detects from 0 to 999 ppm. Know the danger before it's too late. Suitable for various scenarios: kitchen, bathroom, living room. Technical reliability. 10-year sensor lifespan. 3-year battery life. Low standby current. 25A. CE, RoHS, and CCCF certified.